Like any other stock, Reddit can drop into the red from time to time. Yet there are investors who buy and hold. Let's take a look at some reasons why some stay bullish on the front page of the internet. Because aside from exceeding analysts' revenue expectations in recent quarters, Reddit keeps working on improving advertising, product development, and international expansion. Having made significant strides in performance advertising, leveraging conversion APIs and machine learning tools to drive better click-through and conversion outcomes, alongside AI-based initiatives such as Reddit Answers and campaign automation tools, which aim to enhance user and advertiser workflows. International markets, including France, Spain, and Brazil, have been scaling faster than the broader user base and are likely to continue contributing to revenue growth. However, rising macroeconomic uncertainty and evolving privacy regulations in the European Union may pose challenges to Reddit's advertising momentum. The company has been expanding its partner ecosystem, which continues to support growth across AI, advertising, and data licensing. Reddit's partnership with Alphabet enables access to Reddit's data API, helping Alphabet enhance content discovery and train AI models. Reddit has also invested in AI features that leverage its data partnerships, introducing Reddit Answers, an AI-powered search tool built using models from Reddit, Google, and OpenAI. Furthermore, Reddit has partnered with Meta platforms to support campaign imports through Meta's Ads Manager, strengthening Reddit's advertising infrastructure. For ad objectives, more automated ad bidding options are being added, including brand awareness and reach-focused ads. This update allows advertisers to choose from two automated bidding strategies, lowest cost and cost cap, to optimize delivery, drive more impressions, and simplify brand budget management on the platform. With automated bidding, advertisers can spend less time adjusting bids and more time driving impact regardless of the scale of their brand campaign. This feature has been available for other ad objectives, such as conversions, app installs, and lead generation, but is now being made available for more ad types. According to Reddit, early partners who have used automated bidding have seen a 16% increase in cost per 1,000 impressions on average, and a 17% increase in overall impressions. Advertisers can implement the new bidding options in brand awareness and reach via each respective ad group's delivery settings, where they can enter their daily or lifetime budget, select their bidding strategy, and optionally enter a CPM cap if they choose the cost cap strategy. This feature is now available globally to both managed and unmanaged advertisers. Reddit's ad targeting options are also evolving, with the platform implementing more AI and machine learning processes to drive better results for its ad partners. This has led to significant performance improvements, driven in part by rising usage of Reddit in the research process, as the platform receives additional traffic via Google search preferences. Due in part to dissatisfaction with a block of unhelpful results, Google searches have been producing from the implementation of aggregated AI results and oversaturation of ads, leading to an increasing number of Google searches to add Reddit as a search term to try and avoid ad and AI-filled answers in favor of finding human discussion and answers. Because of this shift in preference favoring Reddit in search, there are growing expectations of building momentum for ad revenue and average revenue per user as the company tries to scale its unique mix of community-led content and real-time discussion into sustainable ad dollars. Investors are also closely watching the progress in building the data licensing business, including Reddit's AI-related deals with Google and OpenAI. As artificial intelligence continues to shape online discovery and search, human-sourced insights are becoming increasingly valuable. This shift is driven by the need for authentic and reliable information that AI models can learn from and reference. Reddit, with its vast array of passionate user communities, is well-positioned to capitalize on this trend. The platform hosts a broad scope of valuable insights into various topics, providing real, intelligent, and helpful information that can be easily uncovered through its upvote and downvote system. This unique aspect of Reddit makes it an attractive resource for people seeking genuine human experiences and opinions. The growing importance of human-sourced insights is reflected in the way people are using search engines. More individuals are adding Reddit to their search queries to access actual human notes on products and experiences. This trend is also driving Google's interest in utilizing Reddit information to power its AI responses. By tapping into Reddit's vast repository of user-generated content, Google can enhance the accuracy and relevance of its AI-driven search results. For advertisers, this presents a valuable opportunity to reach their target audience at a critical moment in the decision-making process. Reddit's evolving value as a discovery tool makes it an attractive platform for advertisers looking to maximize their response. By reaching the right people at the right time, brands can increase their chances of resonating with potential customers. With its unique blend of community-driven content and real-time discussion, Reddit offers a powerful platform for advertisers to connect with their target audience. As the platform continues to grow in importance, understanding its opportunities and leveraging its capabilities will be crucial for brands seeking to stay ahead in the ever-changing digital landscape.